Hi, I'm Ife of Ife360 TV, and today we are having a 6-month update. I know it's past the 6 months, however, someone asked me for an update and I almost forgot, honestly. Alright. If you like my videos, you have to hit subscribe because that's the only way to find out when I post a new video for this 1 year of Ayurveda challenge. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. So we're doing 1 year of Ayurveda, and guess what? We're almost done. No, we're not. So of course you want to know what my thoughts are, or maybe not. Maybe you want to share your thoughts. So what I want you to do is take this chance to leave in the comments below what has been happening with you and your hair and your experience so far with Ayurveda, and I cannot wait to read them. Yes. All right, 6 months have gone, so much has gone on. We've had so many DIYs, we've tried so many things. We had the hibiscus hair mask, we did henna, we made aloe oil, we made amla oil. Oh gosh, I still love the amla oil, by the way. That has been one of my favorites as well. And one of them that's battling for a close second, or maybe it's probably going to edge into first place, is the aloe oil that we made together as well. You all already know that I made the fenugreek oil, which was a modification of Curly Proverbs oil, and in that oil we use so much good ingredients, and I still make that oil. The thing about that oil though is sometimes I forget to make it. I'm running out and I just keep forgetting to start making it again, and it takes about 2 weeks for it to develop and for the oil and the seeds to infuse with all the oil to infuse with all the seeds, the nutrients from the seeds and the powders that we use in the oil. And what happens is, yeah, I need a backup oil sometimes when I run out of oil. So that's where the amla oil will come in, the aloe oil will come in, and I'm loving those two right now. So fast to make. Within a day you have them, you have it infused already. If you want to know how to make the aloe oil or how to make the amla oil, you can check out the links below, or a link that I'm going to show up here. So what am I loving about my hair so far? I'm loving henna. It sort of enhanced color of my hair. So my hair already had like a tone to it naturally, and I thought it would have made my hair black, but it didn't. It made my hair more of a richer red tone. Compliments, I guess it complements my hair for me. I'm liking it so far. Now the thing about that is nothing else I need to say about that. So I've continued with the henna as well for every month or every 6 weeks. Sometimes it runs till about 6 weeks. It's not as messy as I thought it would have been. It's very easy to apply. I get it done really quickly. I make a really big batch beforehand, so I don't have to mix it every time. And when I make a big batch, I put it in the freezer, and then when I'm ready to use it, I just pull it out of the fridge quickly, thaw it out, and then it's just ready to go. Because remember, my henna also I use coconut milk with the conditioning effects. It helps with moisturizing, it helps with the shine, just the overall health of my hair. So henna is still a thumbs up from me. If you've tried henna for the first time after watching my videos, I don't know why you would do that, because that was my first time using henna. But if you did, let me know in the comments below if henna was positive for you and you enjoyed using henna as well in your hair. My gosh, I don't know why you would try it after me. Now, one thing I have not really used a lot since I started was the bentonite clay. I haven't used much I have probably used it, as I said, it wasn't something that I would use every week anyways. I would use probably once a month, but I haven't, based on my schedule so far with my hair, I haven't had a need for it, or maybe I haven't found a way to fit it in as well, to do it once a month, because once a month I do henna, once a month I do, so it's not that I didn't like the bentonite clay mix, it's just that I don't think it's something I need right now, but it's something that I think it's still well, actually it is something that I need, because it helps with the effects of hard water. So it's something I definitely need to try my best to incorporate. Let's talk about the DIY shampoo that I made as well with the soap nuts. Did you try that? Some of you have been so excited about it, so have you tried it? Now that's another one that I don't use that often, maybe once every 6 weeks or so as well, but it's so easy to make, and that is what I love about it as well, and it's so simple. So try that out as well if you think you might be into trying a natural shampoo that doesn't have any chemicals and safe to use. Now, if you have seen one of my recent videos, and if you haven't, that's okay. We're talking about I talked about reintroducing or regimens or habits or things that I was using in the past, and one of them was my egg wash. I've started to use that weekly again. My hair loves it. And you know what's so funny? My videos where you'll talk about, oh my gosh, Aoife, your hair is so shiny. Guess what I used? My egg wash. So that video, I'll probably quickly insert a clip where I show you, where I'm talking, and y'all really love the shine of my hair, and you'll say, oh my gosh, your hair is so healthy. I just reintroduced my egg wash, pretty much. So if you, I'm telling y'all, that egg wash, that was my ride or die before YouTube, and why not get back onto it? So peace out to all those people who don't use eggs. It's in my regimen, back in my regimen. Now, one thing I cannot stop using since I tried it was the fenugreek mask, where I reuse my leftover seeds from making the fenugreek oil. So what I do right now, I do the egg wash in my hair, followed by I use the egg wash in my hair, followed by I do the egg wash for about 30 minutes, and I follow up like about an hour after or so. I do a deep conditioning mask with the fenugreek. I put that in my hair and I leave it for like 3 hours. I was using what do you call it? I was using a heat cap for about an hour, and I don't think my hair likes that very much. So I've stopped using that, and my hair prefers the natural heat from my hair instead of that intense heat from the heat cap. It definitely prefers natural heat. So I've been doing that instead. It takes a little bit longer, but I think in the long run, my hair is starting to prefer that a lot more. So I have been using that consistently, the fenugreek hair mask that I make from the leftover seeds. It's like a great way to reuse your seeds, and instead of throwing them out, no need to waste anything. Let's recycle, let's reuse as much as we can. Less wastage, the better, right? What about oiling my scalp? Yes, I still do it. I do it about, I used to do it every other day. Remember when we did that very first challenge? If you never did that challenge with me, it's okay. But in that very first challenge we did about 1.5 years ago now, I used to oil my scalp every other day, and my hair actually loved that. Yo, I don't got time for that. Maybe my hair would respond a lot better and probably grow a little faster, take any nutrients, but I don't have time lately. I've been so busy. Any of you out there can attest to oiling your scalp a little bit more regularly than I am doing it right now. Please let us know. Please encourage us. Please motivate us. I can't be the only one motivating you. It's time for you to motivate me sometimes. What about massaging my scalp? I only do it once a week now. About once a week. Not every day or every other day like I used to as well. Sometimes that happens, and it's okay. No need to beat yourself up or get anxious about it, so get frustrated with yourself and your hair. It's okay. Sometimes life happens. You can't be massaging. I mean, it's nice to massage while you're maybe watching a movie or something. But you know, sometimes I don't remember. I don't even have time to watch TV or movies. I don't got the time. Where y'all get time from? I got things to do. But if you do have some downtime, you're just relaxing, you're chilling, yeah, remember to massage. I'm telling you this, even though I'm not doing it right now, it's okay. I'll get back on the train real soon too. But this would not be an Aoife 360 video if we do not talk about our internal health that will affect our external health, okay? So drinking more water. I will be honest, in the last week or so or two, especially since summer's like starting to ramp up in China, y'all, I'm not drinking enough water, but I'm drinking a lot more kefir. I'm eating a lot of fruits as well. Probably explain why I'm exhausted right now. I need to drink some water. But I want to encourage you all to drink some more water. It's okay. As I said before, don't beat yourself up. Just understand where you have some shortcomings and let's work on them. Okay? We have a few things to work on. So I don't want to paint this 6-month update as a picture perfect, like, oh guys, I'm doing all these things, it's so wonderful, life is good. No, I'm being honest with y'all. Some of these things I can't keep up with. Some of them I haven't kept up with, and it's okay. And there's some things I've been really consistent with, which is good too, you know? So it's okay to pat yourself on your back a little bit, you know? I'm very consistent with lately. It's maca powder. My maca powder, I am back on that consistently. I have it in my smoothies every day. My flax seeds never stopped. having those as well. So I have my daily smoothie every day because it's daily. Duh. Filled with the maca powder, chia seeds, sesame seeds, coconut, even throw in some coconut oil sometimes, yogurt, some homemade yogurt I throw that into. I just make such a rich, exciting smoothie that I thoroughly enjoy. I threw in a frozen banana now because it's summer. I really want to encourage you all to also take care of your inner health so that your outer health can shine through and we can see great results. I want you to post in the comments below and let me know what's up with you and your hair 6 months into the hair journey of our 1 year of Ayurveda. And if you are new to this channel and you're new to the challenge and you haven't tried it yet, jump on board. A lot has happened with me in 6 months. Hope you all too will get to see or even fall in love with your hair. And it's okay if you join us now. Let me know in the comments below what's up with you, with your hair in your 1 year of Ayurveda challenge.